While connecting to FaceTime, if you get this pop-up that says, "Unable to contact the FaceTime server, try again." For FaceTime on iPhone, then follow only these 4 troubleshooting guides to solve your problem. So without wasting any time, let's get going. First solution, offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out FaceTime app. Tap offload again, tap reinstall. Second solution, log out and log in to your FaceTime. Open Setting, scroll down, tap FaceTime, now sign out. After that, re-log in to your account. If nothing works, please check the server for FaceTime. Open your browser, type Apple System Status. Now find out FaceTime. If this shows the blue icon, that means there is no problem with the server. However, if this shows you red, there are server issues. In that case, you need to wait for some time. So guys, these are the ways you can try to solve your inability to contact the FaceTime server. Now, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.